Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had two directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, it's James with TheChartGuys. It is Wednesday, April 5th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. Natural gas had an incredibly bullish day yesterday, and we could expect some pullback with so much bullish action and some profit taking. We have a bearish reversal candle on the daily. A red day tomorrow confirmed. We do have oil inventory reports at 10:30. And the next resistance to look at here is going to be the high of this candle here at 3.391. And then obviously this high here of 3.507. Some supports that we can look for on this pullback of consolidation. Potentially the 80 MA as moving average support, and then still waiting for this back test of this 20 MA. We still haven't had another back test of the 20 MA. We bounced right above it on this big candle. We had one here. Looking for another back test here of the 20 MA at some point for another entry for Natgas bulls. And as far as price support goes, again, these were previous resistances here with this long upper wick. So we have this the support here. The high of this candle is 3.253. We got down to 3.254. So we're holding a penny 0.001 above this previous resistance as support. So it'd be nice if bulls are able to hold that support on any back test and bounce, and close above that by tomorrow on the oil inventory reports, depending on how it reacts. After that support, as mentioned in yesterday's videos, the highs of these candles are also going to provide support. If we break down below that, then we're going to start looking at the supports of the low of this candle here of 3.141. So bulls are in still full control. We do have an upper wick of profit taking and bearish reversal potentially for some further consolidation. Those are the levels of support to look at. And on the weekly chart, we do want a bullish close above this 20 MA on the weekly where we rejected from last week. You don't want to get another rejection here on bearish inventory report reaction here. And on the unadjusted charts, which I mentioned in previous videos, this weekly, again, last February, the same reason we played this bounce was because of the oversold RSI on the daily here. And last February, when we played this oversold bounce, we got all the way to the 200 MA, rejected, pulled back some, and then moved higher. So when we rejected here last week, it was a little bit of a red flag. We are getting a TCG bull cross currently. Again, TCG bull cross is when the green 4 EMA crosses above the 80 MA here. And we are getting above this 20 MA and this 200 MA. So it would be a strong close if we close above all these MAs on the weekly for further upside here. And on the weekly, bulls are in still full control. The daily could see possibly another day of consolidation depending on Natgas inventory reports. And on the weekly, the next resistance we're looking at is the high of this candle here with this long upper wick at 3.494. Supports are going to be the lows of these candles of 3.121 and 3.011. So have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow.